Good morning, children. Lesson number 8, the video number 2, the second part of the poem, second paragraph. Achanak bola more. So, we seen already the first paragraph. The poet compared the natural thing with man-made thing. So, here he compared with man-made thing differently. In the second paragraph, Achanak bola more. In that evening, suddenly the peacock cried out. Achanak means suddenly, more means peacock. जैसे किसी ने आवाज दी, like somebody is calling somebody. आवाज दी means shouted. In the people, village people, they will call loudly. So the peacock crying also is like somebody is calling someone. जैसे like किसी ने आवाज दी, somebody shouted, called, सुनते हो, do you hear me? Chilam aundi. The chilam means the last portion of the sun while setting down in between the mountains. It looks like a reddishness of hookah. Chilam means hookah. Chilam aundi means the chilam completely overturned, the hookah overturned. That means what? The sun settled down completely, went down completely. Chilam aundi, dua utha, because of winter season, you know very well the smoke also will spread out in the atmosphere because of fog, because of so heavy cold. So dua utha, the smoke also came out in the atmosphere. Suraj duba, the sun settled down completely. Dubna means went down in between the mountain. And andhera chagaya, after settling down of the sun, the darkness spread out all around. So chagaya means spread out. The darkness spread out. Andhera means darkness. Okay, name of the poet Sarveshwar Dayal Saxena. Okay, now it's a time to homework. So now here some questions are there, MCQ questions are there. Please choose the correct option. Achanak kaun bola? Who spoke suddenly? Bola means spoke. Kawa, crow, more, peacock, cheel, eagle, कबूतर, pigeon. मोर ने शाम के समय को क्या आवाज दी? द पीकॉक शाम के समय को क्या आवाज दी? So the peacock said something. So what did the peacock say in its own voice? आवाज दी. How does the peacock shout? And what did the peacock say? In the imagination of poet. जाते हो, do you go? रुकते हो, do you stop? सुनते हो, do you hear? क्या कहते हो? What do you say? Okay, question number 3. किस मौसम की शाम का वर्णन है? So, what is the name of the season? गर्मी, summer season. वर्षा, rainy season. जाड़े, winter season. इनमें से कोई नहीं, none of these. So, what kind of season described in the poem? चिलम औंधी होने से क्या तात्पर्य है? What is the meaning of चिलम औंधी? सूरज का डूबना, the settling down of the sun. सूर्य का ताप कम होना, the heat of the sun is decreasing. And बारिश होना, it's raining. किसान का सो जाना, the sleeping of the farmer. सूरज डूबते ही क्या हुआ? Question number 5. After the sun settled down, what did happen? तेज प्रकाश, full of brightness. चारों ओर अंधकार, The darkness all around. शाम हो गई. The evening appeared. चारों ओर प्रकाश फैल गया. The brightness spread out all around. So choose the correct option and copy in classwork. Understand the meaning of the poem. धन्यवाद.